Someone asked me if businesses still need a website when you can just easily get a social media account and in a few minutes you become active and start getting interactions from people. It's a good question, but the answer is as simple as yes. Social media platforms are amazing and incredible for getting your messaging out there, but I think of them more like bridges. And you all know that bridges need to link somewhere ideally. They need to link to a brand true home in this vast online world, which is a website. Building a website can feel very difficult and expensive, but Canva is making it very easy and affordable for anyone. You can create a website on Canva in less than 10 minutes. And on this video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step method on how you can create a website on Canva and how you can make this website live. If these are the kind of content you love, do consider to click on the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video till the end. It's free, it will help the channel to grow, and it will also help me to know that these are the kind of content you all want me to be creating for you, premium content only. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. The first question to ask right here is, what is a website? A website is simply described as a collection of web pages located under a single domain name like canva.com. If you want to get into little more details, then it is a 24 online presence that can be used to communicate with people, sell products, describe services, and provide entertainment and even showcase your portfolio. Having one expresses credibility and it builds trust and also help your business to look more professional. The easiest way for you to get started on creating your website on Canva is to create your website using the templates available on Canva. So let's get into designing our website on Canva right now. In the Canva homepage, type in website template and browse the available templates that you see on your screen right now. Go through them and you will see thousands of website templates that you can actually select from. Now look right here, you can see hundreds of website templates that you can choose from, and any one you see with a crown on it is only for pro users, and those that you see without crowns on it, anyone can actually use them. So if you're a pro user, you can actually use the templates that have a crown on it, but if you are not, then you can use the other templates that don't have a crown on them. Now, rather than you just typing in website template on your search bar, you can get specific on the kind of website you want to search on. For example, let's say you want a fashion site website template, you can type it right there. If you want an educational template, you can type it there. If you want for a hair salon, you can do the same. So you can get specific on the kind of website template you want. But for today's video, we're going to select an NGO website template. So let's go back to our search bar and type in website template for NGO. As you can see right here, there are several website templates for NGO that have popped up on our screen, and you can go through and select whatever template that best suits you. Now, when you have selected the template you want, click on it and it's going to open on a new tab. As you can see right here, this website template looks so beautiful and we can redesign it to what best suits us. Everything you see right here is editable. You can actually change the text you see right here by double tapping on it and dragging it. To change your photos, drag the photo from the element section, or you can actually upload a photo on your own from your gallery. All you have to do if you want to change the photo is to click on the element right here, and then you will see different element photos that you can actually select from, or you go and upload a photo from your gallery. I mean, you will never run out of options from the element on Canva. If you go through, you will see several elements that you never ever imagined could be available for free. I like this head section much more. So I'm going to drag this over here and you would see it replacing the one I already had. Now, I'll get rid of that generic logo and add in my own brand identity. Let's resize it. The most amazing thing about Canva is that no matter the size or the shape of whatever or stock image that you pull right here, you can actually resize it to the shape or the size that you want. Now, I need to adjust the front to suit a new brand, and I also need to change the color so that it can sit well with me. There are different types of color right here that you can select from. So what suits your NGO more, that is what you should go for. So I'm just going to jump to the element tab, click on the tab right here and put in some search terms. Yes, this is perfect and I really love it. Let's drag it over here and replace the background image. Wow, I really like this. This is looking pretty good, but I want to give the audience a call for action on this first page. So I know right now you all are thinking in your head like, Claudia, what do you mean by a call to action for the audience? Now, a call to action is normally abbreviated the CTA, and it's normally called the direction to audience to engage or to invite audience to do something. On websites, this often takes the form of a button or a link. So let's bring this down here so that it naturally flows from the text over to the CTA section. The text box you want to link it to, so you can drag it from the top right there and bring it down here. Here, you can enter an extra link or choose one of the other pages on the side on the top right. There is a preview button. Click on it and you're going to see how it's looking, and you can actually test it out on other links. And here are other options, like you can test it out on other screens like your tablet, your smartphone, or maybe on your friend or your family's phone, laptop, or on their tablet. This automatically resizes your design for the different ratios. It's worth checking for any responsive issues right now. Now take a look at your website, and so far it's really as simple as that for you to create a website on canva.com. And obviously this website is not yet live, but it's at a stage where you can actually share it to your friends, to your family. I mean, to take a look at what you have. Or you can actually share it to your clients to take a look at it and then give their suggestions on what they need you to edit on it. It's as simple as that. So if you love the research so far, please do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and continue watching this video, so I will show you how you can actually make your website live. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so very much for joining the channel. On this channel, we talk about everything side hustle ideas, small business ideas, making money online, and building wealth. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for your loyalty. I appreciate you, and I hope you're getting value from all the videos I upload on this channel. Now, let's look at the next stage on how you can actually get your website live and how you can publish your website. On the top right corner, you would see the option to publish your website. You would also be given two options right here: a free domain name or the chance to use an existing domain name. Let's choose free. Here, Canva will give you a URL. you can edit it like this. In the site description, you can describe your web page in 160 characters or less. Create a concise and compelling summary of your page here. Include a target keyword. It will actually help search engines index and for your website to be ranked on pages. You can click here. Click on this box right here to hide your website from search engines. This is great if you just want to share it with some specific people by sharing your link with them. This is actually good for getting feedback from your team or from your clients. You can give it even more security here by restricting access by giving a password. When you are happy, click that publish button. Now, if you want to own your own custom domain name, do that right here as well. Click this and then purchase a domain name for yourself. Actually, you can start searching for domain names right here, and then you can claim your domain name like this. You need to create a registration form and then review the settings before proceeding to the payment page. This actually means that if you want to get a domain name for yourself, you would actually have to spend an amount of money to get a domain name for yourself. It normally takes 24 to 48 hours for your site to go live. I mean, it's as simple as that. So if you want a domain name, you would actually need to buy the domain name. But if you want to use canva.com as your domain, then it is actually free. You only need to create this website and then you publish it live with the domain name canva.com. And it is as simple as that. You now have a fully functional, great looking website that you can actually continue to build, and improve as time goes on. Tell me, why won't you love Canva? Canva actually makes designing very easy for a lot of us. We just created a website for ourselves, and in the days ahead, we're going to create a logo, we're going to create, thumbnails and a lot other things which you need to pay these designers to get it done for you. But you can take less than 10 minutes to do all this for yourself. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space.